What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Sorry it's been a minute since an upload. I've been busy with the garage and getting caught up on the maintenance on the vehicles. Thought it'd be a good video to make today. We're going to replace the shift boot on the G56 transmission on my 2006 Ram. I know it's a common issue and there's not too many videos out there showing you exactly how to replace the shift boot. So start with what tools you'll need. I'm going to use an impact gun just to make things a little quicker. But basically you're going to need a 13mm socket or wrench for the shifter itself to remove that. Sorry, the lighting's terrible in my truck. You're also going to need an 8mm socket to remove the bottom console around the shifter. So without further ado, let me kind of adjust the camera so you guys can see a little better. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to remove these. They just pop right out. Just give them a pull and they come out there. That's going to reveal the 8mm bolts holding this first piece on and the second piece. So let's go ahead and remove those bolts. That should release this console here. Pull up from the front. And then that's going to reveal the other bolts. Oh, we're losing light here. I'm going to pause and come back. Just dim it out a little bit. Hopefully that's not too bad. Bolt there. Bolt there. Now the next step, we want to just pop this shifter boot up off. Pull it all the way up. Pull this down here, which reveals our 13mm. Go ahead and remove that. Now we should be able to pull bolts up and out. Must not have gotten that one all the way. And that just slides out there. Kind of tuck this back. Put a bolt in the back on this side. I'm just going to set them there. It's a good spot for them. That piece off. Now we've exposed our shifter boot. We can clearly see where it's leaking at. May need to use a little force and get these pliers on there and give it a good grip, and that'll just pop it right off. And that is the bad part there. So yeah, just put this one on when I did the transmission service. This is a great time to do the transmission service because you can pour the fluid right down in the top there without having to remove the plates on the side, or remove the whole shifter tower. And I just tore this when I put it back on because I didn't put it on right. Get our rag here, kind of clean this up a little bit. I leaked a little bit of transmission fluid out, so I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit more in just to top off. My pour was terrible. Now I'm just using the recommended Mopar ATF4 from Mopar themselves. This is what Chrysler recommends, so that's what I'm going to use. That's why we have a rag. Now, we've got the new one here. Now, Dodge wanted $75 or $125 for this thing. I just got it off Amazon for 15 bucks. I mean, and it works great. They last me about 2 to 3 years, which is longer than the Chrysler one lasted me last time I put a Chrysler one on it. I'm just gonna put that over there. Now I need to put it on as level as we can without pinching it. And the best way I find to do that is just put a roll of tape. Works great. It fits over it perfectly. And then you can kind of just tap it down. So there's that. We got the new boot on. We didn't tear it this time, so we are good to put everything back together. And we're just going to repeat the process. Now I'll probably speed this up, that way you don't have to watch it all over again. See the clips go on the back. Sorry about that, guys. And that's how you do the shift boot in a G56 transmission in a Dodge Ram. Thanks for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to reply and help you out with anything I can. Or if you have any suggestions to what I should do next or what you guys would like to see on this channel, again, just comment. I would greatly appreciate it if you hit that like button if you found this helpful. That would help me out in growing this channel out a little bit more. Again, thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time on Redline Rebuild.